guys, welcome to today's video, and today is going to be my final vlog on the 5S camera features, and it's going to be testing the camera at night time. Last night I went out to watch some fireworks and I managed to record some of the footage before my fingers dropped off because it was so cold, and I just thought I'd share it with you and so you can see what it was like. I managed to record some in normal mode and then also in slow-mo as well, so you can see how they both compare. I must admit the slow-mo wasn't as good for bringing out the colours and things, but it was pretty good to see it was night time, so I just thought I'd share it with you today so you can see just how good it looks. And I wanted to check your thoughts on if you wanted to see any more vlogs on this channel, maybe 1 or 2 a week, or whether you wanted me to move them on over to another channel. I know this channel is mainly for app reviews and things, so I can't quite decide whether vlogs fit in here or not. Ideally it would be nice if they all were on the same channel because it'd be easier for me and having separate accounts, but I'm quite happy to move along if a lot of people don't really want to see it on this channel. So let me know what you think, and also what you think of the footage of the camera testing on the iPhone 5S. Hope you enjoy it, and bye for now.
It's lovely.
Yeah.